again it is asking you permission. Now, now we go with something called SHA, SCRAPT, SCRAPT 18.ss, press enter button. That's all. 4 values printed automatically. Very, very easy, friends. Friends, I can, I'll show you one thing. Yes, yes. Okay, now, how many lines I have written, friends? 4 lines. 4 lines. If I print 100 members list, what happens? 100 lines. Yes or no? So, my array element list is nothing but 100. But I need to write 100 lines. No, it is very, very difficult to maintain all this kind of lines and everything, syntax mistakes and some other mistakes, and it's also taking more time to execute and more time, more CPU consumption, more RAM. Yes or no? All these things. But anyway, so to control, to overcome this program, to overcome the situation, then what should I do? Simple manner. I'll show you one thing. So instead of writing all these things in a 4 lines, I can write in a single line. Instead of writing all these lines, okay, I can write in a single line. The single line is, boss, for example, single line, very, very dead easy. Scripting is very dead easy, boss. Don't afraid of all these things. Scripting is dead easy, no problem. Okay. Right. So suppose instead of writing all this, 4 lines, I can write only 1 line. Okay, okay. Yes, yes. I can write only 1 line. I can print a value also. Sir, KK sir, how can you write 1 line, sir? Simple, very simple. Echo, 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 something called dollar. Okay, curly braces, user underscore names. Afterwards, yes, star. That's all. Star is over. Okay, star. Okay, okay. Instead of writing all these things, I can I can place a star symbol. Yes, I can place star symbol. Okay, that means what? No need to write these phone lines. No, 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 not required. Echo dollar user underscore name. That's all over. Now, how can I write this program? Easy, dead easy. So now, Control O, press enter button, Control X. Now, nano SCRAPT 19.ss, press enter button. Yes. Yes, friends, go ahead. How can I write the friends script? Yes. ఎవరు చెప్తారు? మీరు చెప్పారు కదా, వేరే వాళ్ళు ఇంకెవరన్నా? ఎస్, లెట్ దెమ్ స్పీక్. ఎస్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. సార్ మేము మాట్లాడలేము సార్. ఇంటర్వ్యూలో అయితే మేము మాట్లాడతాం సార్. దయచేసి అట్లాంటి వద్దు, ఇక్కడే మాట్లాడండి ఎవరైనా మాట్లాడితే. బిన్ బ్యాష్, ఎస్, అట్లా ఉండాలి, స్పోర్టివ్గా తీసుకోవాలా. కానీ కేస్ కమాన్. ఎకో, ఇదేంటిది? ఎకో, ఎకో డాలర్.
Sir, user underscore name.
See, first of all, you must declare an array, right? So how you declare an array? User underscore name. That means what? We are storing all the values into a single variable. That variable name is what? User underscore name. అంతే కదా, ఫస్ట్ అడిగాను నేను. వాట్ ఈస్ array అంటే మీరు ఏం చెప్పారు? Storing the multiple values into a single variable. That's all. It is called as an array, whatever it is. So usernames is equal to afterwards. చెప్పండి. ఎస్, ఇప్పుడు మార్చేద్దాం. కేకే సపోజ్ 801 ఒకటి, తర్వాత మనకి ఇంకొకళ్ళు ఉన్నారు కదా, మన షార్ట్ కట్ పేర్స్ లేవు చాలా మందికి. చందు సైజ్ తక్కువగా, చందు 801. ఓకే, నౌ RAGH రఘు 801. ఓకే, అంటే రాజేంద్ర పెద్ద పేరు ఉంది, రాజ్ 801 ఇద్దాం. ఓకే, రాజ్ 801. ఇంకొక నేము, సరే 4 నేమ్స్ ఇచ్చేద్దాం. రైట్. నౌ ఎస్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, హౌ కెన్ ఐ ప్రింట్ దిస్ వాల్యూస్? ఎకో డాలర్
curly brace,
user underscore name. That's all. User underscore names.
Bracket.
bracket,
Square bracket, star,
Bracket, star. That's all over star.
curly.
Star curly bracket. Yes.
curly.
Nothing is required. Just you can print four values. KK801, 801, all these things. Control O, press enter button. Control X, press enter button. So SHSCRIPT 90.sh. Press enter button, friends. Okay, like this, we can print all these things. KK801, Chandu, Raghu, Raj. Yes, we have printed four users. Yes or no? Four users.